Welcome to InterLink Network airdrop mining app, ladies and gentlemen. So by the way, if you're not already mining, I'll leave my invite link in the pinned comment of the video and it's on the Telegram page. And when you click on it, you find yourself on the registration page. I've also put together a tutorial on how to register and start mining. So I figured that would come in handy. So I'll be leaving the link in the description box of this video for you all to watch and catch up. So while here, you remember to come click on mine. So you watch an ad and when it's done, close it and you click on mine here. So this time around you're collecting your reward from the previous mining session and entering a new mining session, right? I received my 23 ITLG and my next cycle would be available in 1 hour 43 minutes and some seconds. So that's by the way, they have released a new update, a new version of the app, right? So if your app is lagging, if your version is lagging behind, make sure you're on the latest version because there is verification to do. So that's the very first step. Make sure you're on the latest version, right? So once you're on the latest version, back here on the home page, you click on verified ITLG here. So from here you can see verified balance 0, verify your ITLG, migrate your ITLG, and so on. Now we are verifying. So you click on verify now. So once you're done watching the ad, now this will open verification level. So level 1 is document verification. Once at least 3 verification level completed, you will be verified in this first phase, right? Now you click on visit curator here. Now you have to select the curator. Now the person at number 1 has 101,341 users. The second person has 10,000 and the other person has 19. So you go through and see which one it is that you want to apply with. Now down here you have the AI curators. These ones are not humans, and you can see their numbers are relatively low. There is the Apollo powered by Grok, there is Athena powered by Cloud, and then there is Artemis powered by Gemini, and of course Hermes powered by ChatGPT. So is it AI you want to go with or a human? Is all your decision to make, right? And so let me say Cloud. And my reason is because it has less number of users, and I hope you know. So it's been matched successfully. Waiting queue. So it says there are 8,855 users on the queue. Wow. I don't know, maybe this is what they've considered the best way to do the KYC because this is not the first time, right? We've done KYC with platforms like Binance and exchanges. We didn't have to queue up. We submit and, after some few minutes, we receive a notification that we have been verified. Well, let's hope the AI will work faster. That's what they're generally believed to do. So what's happening? So as soon as I have passed this stage, I will not hesitate, guys, to update you. Right for now, this is where I am stuck.